7 numbers. Add them up, you get 49. Now watch. Cut the array into contiguous blocks, at most 3 wide. Inside each block, every value becomes that block's maximum. Add again, 84. Same numbers, almost double the sum. The only thing we chose was where to cut. That choice is the entire problem. Here are the rules precisely. You are given an array and an integer k. Partition the array into contiguous subarrays, each of length at most k. Every element in a block is replaced by that block's maximum. Maximize the sum of the resulting array. Notice what that sum really is. A block of length L, whose maximum is m, contributes m times L. So we are not summing elements anymore. We are paying for length at the price of the biggest value in the block. The game becomes, stretch big values over as many slots as you can afford. So why not be greedy and always grab the widest window, k. Watch. Cut 3, 3, 1. 15 times 3 plus 9 times 3 plus 10, 82. Now cut 3, 1, 3, 45 plus 9 plus 30, 84. Same first block, different tail. Local choices interact, so we have to weigh all of them. That is exactly what dynamic programming does for us. This is a front partition. The state is a single boundary. Let f of I be the maximum sum obtainable from the suffix ri through rrn-1. Everything before I is already settled, we never look back. All we decide at I is one thing: how long is the first block? The first block starts at I, with some length, len, between 1 and k, and it must stay in bounds. Its maximum, times len, is what that block pays. And then the rest of the array is a smaller copy of the very same problem. F of I plus len. So, f of I equals the maximum over len from 1 to k of max in window I to I plus len minus 1 times len plus f of I plus len. Base case, f of n equals 0. An empty suffix pays nothing, and the answer we want is f of 0. Let's fill this from the back, because f of I only ever depends on larger indices. At I equals 6, one element remains, 10. A single block of length 1, dp6 is 10. At 5, two options, length 1, 5, plus dp6, which is 10, 15, length 2, the window is 5 and 10, so the max is 10, times 2, 20. 20 wins, the 5 is sacrificed, and reborn as a 10. At 4, 3 options, and the third one, a full window of 2, 5, 10, pays 10 times 3, 30. At 3 sits the 9. Here, extending hurts. The maximum stays 9, while the tail we give up is worth more than we gain. Length 1 wins, 9 plus 30, 39. At 2, length 2 wins. Window 7, 9. Max 9, times 2, plus dp4, 48. At 1 we finally meet the 15. Now stretching is pure profit. Length 3, 15 times 3 is 45, plus dp4, 30, 75. And at 0 the lonely one. Length 3 swallows it into the 15's block, 45, plus dp3, 39, 84. There is our answer, and the table holds the best sum for every suffix along the way. Follow the winning lengths forward. 3, 1, 3, the array becomes 15, 15, 15, 9, 10, 10, 10, 84. Here it is in code, a backward loop over I, and an inner loop over the block length. One detail matters most. Watch Kermax. As len grows by 1, the window grows by exactly 1 element, on the right. So the maximum updates in constant time. Recompute it from scratch each time, and you turn an O of nk algorithm into O of nk squared, for nothing. States, O of n, 1 per index. Transition, O of k, 1 loop over block lengths. Time, O of n times k. Space, O of n, for the dp array. And since dpi only ever reads forward, 1 backward pass is all you need. 2 pitfalls. First, recomputing the block maximum inside the inner loop, extend it incrementally instead. Second, bounds. Stop the moment I plus len minus 1 would leave the array, or you will read garbage and then happily score it. Now step back. This module held two partition families, and telling them apart is the real skill. Interval dp. The state is an interval, f of ij. You split it internally. At some k, you combine left plus right plus a join cost. You fill by increasing interval length, usually O of n cubed. Matrix chain multiplication. Cut the stick. Burst balloons. Boolean evaluation. Front partition. The state is a single boundary, f of I. You cut off a leading block and recurse on the remainder, usually O of nk or O of n squared. Palin partitioning 2, and today's problem. And the signature insight of the interval family: when operations interfere, reason about the last operation, that is burst balloons, and add sentinel boundaries when a segment needs a well-defined cost, that is cut the stick. 3 to try. Warm up. This array, with k equals 4, compute f from the back, you should land on 83. Core, also output the chosen block boundaries. Stretch, value each block by its sum, instead of its max, only the contribution term changes. Next module, a compact matrix dp. Counting and sizing squares of ones in a binary grid.